Hello, welcome here. So right now I'm going to talk about the arithmetic operators that we use in C or other languages. So what is arithmetic operators? We already done the program with the help of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and percentage sign is that pending, and we will discuss in this tutorial so how you have to use percentage and what is used for. So I also I wrote it down here that it is used for remainder. So we know the division is used for the coefficient. If we want that, if we divide someone and what is the remainder, sometimes we need that, we have to need that. And what is the specific use, we will discuss in the earlier programs, in the future on the next programs. But right now we just concentrate what is it to, and what is the difference between the division and the percentage. We already discussed about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and the percentage remaining. So we will discuss about the division and percentage and differentiate it. Okay, so let's start. Let us suppose I have a number int. So I have a value a is 20. So we can declare the integer, declare the variable that is an integer type, and I initialize the value here. So I'm not using printf scanf to display this. So another number that I will divide this 20 is b, in which I typed here 2. So this is my small program, and I want to use keyboard input. So I need one more variable in which I can store the information result c is equal to a divided by b, or c is equal to, so first I print out the division, printf division of %d by %d is %d. Maybe it looks look like some difficult. So I divide a by b. So first % is for a and second % is by b, and what is the result is c. So it will display the result if we divide a divided by b, and it's stored in the c, and we will display here. And again c is equal to %d, so a, then we use percentage sign and b and divide here. I again use the same, I copied this in printf. So right now I'm not using division, I just find out the remainder of remainder. So then I separate here division of %d by %d, and the remainder is %d. So this is the whole program. First it will store the division value, what is the coefficient, and it displayed here. Second, it replaces the c result whatever was stored in this here in this instruction. So it carry out the remainder and it will display here. So we will run this program, run this. So you can see here, I will zoom for you. So division of 20 by 2 is 10. So 2 divided by 10, we will got the coefficient 10, and the remainder division of 20 by 2 and the remainder is 0. So means if we divide 20 by 2, so we will got 0, because we know 2 tens are 20 and we have remainder 0. So if I change the value, I'm not going to divide by 2, I try to divide by 3. So what will be the result? Let's see. I run it again. So division of 20 by 3 is 6. You can see here here 6. So this is the next printf. I'm not using /n for new line. Remainder, division of 20 by 3 and the remainder is 2. So 20 divided by 3, 3 6 are 18. So 20 divided by 20 minus 18, 2. So we got result 2. So remainder is 2. Are you able to understand what is the difference between the divide and the percentage? So divide shows you the coefficient and percentage shows you the remainder. So it is most important when we are going to use further programs, future programs. So you should know the concept of these. And I discussed all the arithmetic operators. In the later we will discuss about the conditional statements and as well as the relational operators. So thanks for watching this.